How to create an online business from scratch. First of all, it's important to identify your passion and find a lucrative niche market to work in. Find out what you love to do and how it can fit into the marketplace. Build a solid online presence, starting with a well-built, SEO-optimized website. It's also important to create a social media presence that is relevant to your target audience. Create quality and relevant content for your target audience. This can include blogs, videos, webinars, podcasts, and more. Your content should be informative and helpful, and it should help your potential customers solve their problems. Build your email list from scratch. Offer something valuable in exchange for your visitor's email address, such as an ebook, course, or other relevant offer. Choose the best ways to monetize your online business, such as selling digital products, services, online courses, or affiliate programs. Remember, starting an online business is not easy, but with dedication and effort, you can achieve success.